Hello there, I'm Morgan Freeman. Today, I will be telling you about the Chaparral Biome. The Chaparral Biome is found in most continents: the west coast of the United States, specifically California, the west coast of South America, the Cape Town area of South Africa, the western tip of Australia, and the coast areas of the Mediterranean. The Chaparral Biome has many different types of terrain. Some examples are flat plains, rocky hills, and the mountain slopes. The Chaparral Biome is sometimes used in movies for the Wild West. The Chaparral is characterized as being very hot and dry. Winters are very mild and are usually about 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and summers are so hot and dry at 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit that fires and droughts are very common. Another reason for the common fires and droughts is the large amount of solar radiation. Average rainfall is between 10 to 17 inches a year. Plants and animals living in this biome are adapted to these harsh conditions. Most of the plants have small, hard leaves, which hold moisture. Some of these plants are poison oak, scrub oak, yucca whipple, and other shrubs, trees, and cacti. The animals are mainly grassland and desert types adapted to hot, dry weather. A few examples are coyotes, jackrabbits, mule deer, alligator lizards, horned toads, praying mantis, honeybees, and ladybugs. The largest human impact on the Chaparral Biome is the tourism industry and all the building and development that comes with it. The development also impacts the organisms that depend on the common fires to survive. Because of the clearing of the land for building, many non-native species have come to live in the Chaparral Biomes. The Chaparral Biome that has been most affected by humans is the one in California. A lot of it has been cleared out for housing developments and has caused lots of pollution and the creation of endangered species. Jackrabbits are common in this biome. They have huge ears which can regulate blood flow through its ears. This helps them keep their body temperature under control, which helps them to live in the desert part of the chaparral. Bezoar goats are also common. They have this special adaptation of their wool which will help them to survive the harsh mountain climate. The plant, King Protea, are able to survive in the Chaparral Biome using their leaves which can absorb moisture. Since it doesn't rain a lot in the chaparral, those plants are able to absorb any type of dew or fog to keep itself alive during a drought. The olive tree is also well adapted to the Chaparral Biome. It can grow in nutrient-poor but well-drained soils. It also needs a lot of insulation for fruit production. Ladies and gentlemen, my vocal cords have soothed your ears with information from the chaparral. That is all.